Hi everyone, my name is Ruth Alexandra Campos Herrera. This activity is from the English phonetic course, and today I am going to tell you about the International Phonetic Alphabet IPA and the symbol of vowels and diphthong in insolation and in word. English pronunciation training improves your accent and speaking clearly. Okay, and in this lesson, I am going to show you how to use the International Phonetic Alphabet IPA to practice English pronunciation. If you learn and practice with the AIPA, you will be able to pronounce any word in the English dictionary, even if you have never heard it before. Let's try it. Okay, there are 26 letters in the English alphabet, but there are 44 different sounds. That's why the importance of using IPA. Okay, there are 5 English vowels, but there are many more vowels in English. Okay. Okay. A, E, I, O, and O. Okay. Next. The sound longer and the sound small. We will say words that have this sound like. Listen to me. E, 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 E. Sheep, sheep, sheep. Eagle, eagle, eagle. Field, field, field. Okay, the sound longer. E, sheep, eagle, field. Okay, this one is small, or this one shorter. E, e, e. Sheep, busy, sheep, busy. Started, 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 started. Sheep, busy, started. Next, the sun short lip, the lip are closer. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Put, put. Good, good. So, so. Shoot, shoot. Excuse me, shoot. Good, put, shoot, shoot. Okay. The sound longer. Ooh, ooh, ooh. For example, mood, mood. Group, group. The durg. Okay, next. Next. The sound e. Bed, dead, said. Bed, dead, said. Next. The sound show up. Okay, up, 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 up. For example, about, about, police, police, the, about, police, the, next, okay, and the schwa longer, for example, ba, excuse me, a, bar, bird, bird, heart, heart, work, work, bar, bird, heart, work. Okay, next. And the song air, 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 air. And for example, okay, excuse me. Is the at, excuse me, at. For example, okay, this is the song, excuse me, this is the song longer. Oh, 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 dog, dog, work, work, sold, sold, oh, oh, dog, work, is sold. Okay, net. Okay, and the sound air, 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 air. For example, apple, 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 cat, 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 and mat, mat. Okay, next. And the song is shorter, short, short. And for example, up, 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 money, money, cup, cup, up, money, cup. Okay, next. And the song longer. R, card, but, safari, card, but, safari. Okay, 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 this next. Okay, the R, this next. Oh, 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 not, 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 what, not, what, because, not, what, because, oh, oh, next. Okay, and okay, the group of vowels sound called diphthong. Let's now listen how to remember the sound of diphthong. Okay, okay, listen to me. Ia, 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 ear, here, carrier, carrier, ear, here, carrier, ear. Okay, next, and next, listen to me. A, train, say, plane. A, train, say, plane. Next, and listen to me. Ua, your, short, tourist, short, tourist. Okay, and oi, boy, point, e oiled. Boy, point, e oil. Okay? Next. Oh, oh, oh. Hot, cold. Low, low. Not, not. Okay? Next. The sun swap, swap, swap. For example, air, 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 hair, hair. Careful, careful. There, there, there. Her, careful. There, there. Okay, next. And listen to me. I, buy, high, fine. Buy, high, fine. Okay, next. Ow, listen to me. Ow. Now, our house. Now, our house. Okay? Okay, people. Okay, people. Good, this is all for the lesson. Thanks for your attention. Bye bye.